My name is Christopher, and today we're gonna unbox the iPhone 6s Plus. This one is heavy now, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. We have instructions, some of this, and here it is. Oh, okay. Looks like we're going to need my trusty scissor again. Oh, okay. This is weird. Oh, this is real tight. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on a minute. I think I get got it. Yes. Yes. Okay. Got a little bit of that. I can just peel the rest off. Oh my gosh, that's much smoother though. Oh man. Going. Oh, dude, that's huge. Dude, I like this kind. Oh, don't wanna. Oh man, look at the gold back. I like it. Oh, it's heavy, but it's much lighter now. Interesting. Oh. Let's see what's in the box. Looks like we have some ear headphones if you want to put them in your ears. Of course, there's a charger. Compared to this cell phone, they both look the same, but this one, the iPhone 6s Plus, is much longer than this kind. The camera angle adds a much more detail, and it's really quick when it takes a picture. No. Let's see what's the instructions. Okay. Oh, wait. See here. Thank you for choosing Verizon. Visit